Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will provide instruction on how to modify and delete contract templates. In DecisionLender, you may utilize your own contracts and documents, as well as Wolters Kluwer during the application process. Documents fall into one of two template categories: contract or notification. Contract templates are used when the document you are adding generates on the contract prep page after Generate Contract is selected. Notification templates are used when the document that you are adding generates via the Print Letter button, for example, Adverse Action Letter, Welcome Letter, etc. Documents are associated to loan types, rules, standard and custom fields, and/or contract add preferences. Documents may be assigned to doc sets and used in contract prep. DecisionLender will allow you to modify document metadata, such as loan type, name, description, etc., and/or your document mapping. The templates should initially be created and tested in your demo environment. Upon successfully testing, you will need to utilize the Account Configuration Management tool to move the change to your production environment. Please see documentation and video pertaining to the Account Config Management tool. How to modify document metadata for contract templates. Log into DecisionLender. You are brought to the landing page. On the sidebar menu, click on the Setup tab. Click on the Document Management sub-tab. Then select Documents. The Documents page will display, showing previously created documents, if applicable. In the Filter By field, select Contract Templates. Click on the Edit Metadata button, which resembles a yellow circle with a pencil. The Edit Document Metadata page will appear for the document selected. You may update the loan types if applicable. Click on the drop-down under Loan Type to add additional loan types, or select All to add all loan types. Select the red Remove button next to the loan type to remove it. Click the drop-down under States to add additional states, or choose Select All. Select the red Remove button to delete a state. The category field is locked and cannot be edited. The name of the template may be modified if needed, as well as the description. You can make this document exportable by checking the "Is this document exportable?" box. Do not check the "Is this a Wolters Kluwer document?" box. Click the green Save button at the top of the page when completed. How to modify document mappings for contract templates. From the Documents page, select Contract Templates in the Filter By field. Locate the contract that you would like to modify, and click on the Edit Document Mapping icon, which resembles a yellow circle with a sheet of paper. The Edit Document Mapping page will appear. No changes should be made to the Sign Required fields. This is for electronic signature DocuSign only. Start date and end date should be left blank as well. Attributes, description, and field type will be populated based on the information from the fillable PDF. You may edit the mapping as needed. click on the blue Show Object Model button and begin mapping the object model attributes with the object that relates to the field name. Mark the Resize Font checkboxes if the field values do not fit correctly on the form. The Mapping Instructions column is for internal use only. Do not enter anything in this field. Mark the Currency checkbox if this field requires a dollar value. Mark the Read Only checkbox if applicable. Click the Save button when completed. How to delete documents. DecisionLender allows you to delete a previously created contract or document. From the Documents page, select the appropriate document type in Filter By field. If the document is a contract, select Contract Templates. If the document is not a contract, select Notification Templates. Locate the contract that you would like to delete and click on the trash can icon. A dialog box will display. Clicking Confirm will permanently delete the document. If you delete a version of a document that is contained in a doc set, the document will automatically be deleted from that doc set. How to upload a new version of a document. From the Documents page, select the appropriate notification type in the Filter By field. Locate the document that you are replacing and click on the blue Upload icon. The Edit Document Mapping page will display. Click on the blue Upload button. A dialog box will display, allowing you to select the PDF file to be uploaded. Note: documents that will receive mapped data from DecisionLender will require that the file be a fillable PDF. Under Actions column, click on the green Upload button. The mapping page will display. All existing mapping will carry over from the previous version of the document, provided that all field names match. Make changes if applicable. Click the Save button when completed. DecisionLender will automatically assign the next available version number. Note: if the document you just replaced is associated with a doc set, DecisionLender will automatically update the doc set with the new version. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, you can contact TCI Client Support at 1-800-492-2001, option 3. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.